nupi masam ni mung manu wangang na dinga ko ma atang ngako nui ta mon ngangi ako nang yaw ko no ayana nupi masa sing rum to gira ko na we have stopped encouraging them to dream big adana nupi masa sing na koi encourage to be o high than I was nupi sing parents sing da mo let them have a big dream mayang khangbira mani nupi masa BA lo era nupi masa mana laga baba ai pabung ai IAS UPSC exam say try to get coaching pi awan biwan mapa dan si okay go coaching ya sa mana adamana noma request to the Albert Einstein sir I give life to you my role model I like to one of the occasions amuk tang di function na mada nang ngang bado ay yung ngang jagi ay koi nong loi na sila nang sa mana sa ge ara Albert Einstein scientist ay yam nungai wa kambuli na nungai thokoi yare chalo en tawga mara driver en thaw driver piron chelaga moisi mo function nang wangang lai pa na ngang thare zum na ngang e loi ngang lo matung da koi oza tiken mo professor ai ba mana aru bo question na hangne ba hangak badai de khum mangam dre masing ngore ba atai ri sin pha boran ti ta bai na do adu hangak ka masana scientist na ta na khum mangam dre adi matam dura mana amaning da nang na hangi question is so simple so easy aina khumbai darkar laite maning da yi driver le ma bo khuman ge na haira kanna adi Albert Einstein thore driver wena adu mana khumme this is how you focus how you take decision presence of mind akoina tambire khuding makse life ti apply tongna bane problem solve tongna bane mark phangna bagi thabak achou phangaga heng problem la kanda ai tokserage ai VC ojara roi ai English ki oja oibanga moi satra sing yam ngokshne hai ni sien na ban natte we are preparing you educating you to lead a meaningful life and also to let others lead a meaningful life one tok lai ko si ma hingna ba khara amna doctor warakani khara amna engineer warakani khara amna social worker warakani khara amna actor warakani khara amna actress warakani khara amna reporter warakani but loina mag yaw dragadi koi samasi contribute to samaj oi mi yaro yo aduna loina mag so what we can do akoi laizari ba koi mayam na like Harvard school gumba oza sing na parents sing na koi angang na khwaidagi phajaba instrument nama pi gaidi education is the only wonderful instrument which we can give to our children higher instruments na warak pa nungai tawa tension lera power aphaba tawning okuding okil they can play anytime any moment decision low the khangde problem solving the khangde communication the khangde loina mo koi so let us educate our children, our young minds to become a positive, good human being, and in turn they contribute to our society. Akoi society si mamang na pubada saruk yabang ang mamisak ko ina. Akoi semse angang singi moigi fault like parents and teachers. It is our responsibility. Si mai mayam na apil tau sige. Aduga aina maruina satri ngasai ozana pathok pibla satri na masingi en mugum su oi oza hemantan pathok pada adi oza masing su aina soiram bai ni ubai tabai rakangle oza nupi na masing en musu male yaw bosu nupi sing na masing en male adu akoina parent tamoina nupi su nupa su satra su satri su isa nupa su sab manana treat to buse akoi kra wale nupi masam ni mung manu wangang na dinga ko ma atang ngako noi ta mon ngangi ako nang yaw ko no ayana nupi masa sing rum to gira ko na we have stopped encouraging them to dream big adana nupi masa sing na koi encourage to be o high than I was nupi sing parents sing da mo let them have a big dream mayang khangbira mani nupi masa BA lo era nupi masa mana laga baba ai pabung ai IAS UPSC exam say try to get coaching pi awan biwan mapa dan si okay go coaching ya hole parikha tharo re prelims fail hoya ani rak su so thare second time so fail hoya are di mayam ngang na ba hore as oi so ro do da prelim tawon kolona sinupim sa si tawre thu nam luong thopi gradi phadam ne pa su phangaroi haibi bhore but ma it's a real story amung lai baba yam ko try tawge oh papa also fail hoye mari rakshu da mains pass lai ado interview the yarokre manga rakshu da prelim mains and interview loine clear taroga she top 2024 gi UPSC exam top oi hiwa magi maming Shakti Dubey Google la thibio mayangang singiyong so in life there are no failures only lessons to be learned fail haiba lesson sil laite ba dana akhoi angang singda madi ngamoroi madi oiroi adu tawro no education haiba pochina akhoi manada khuding manan ngam lairo miso ma knowledge du yaw skill du yaw educate oi biraba ayona nungaiba phamjaw european dharma manada su yai legum imphal la leire na tra akhoi ga khungang la leire so adun education can only level everyone loinok se level to akhoi napi ya mo ground sai na leire ground se napi ya loin level to ye ni machine nu kari no kanda angang me ma khoi manhan ge di proper education sine so tragedy in our country and in Manipur particularly akhoi education da mayam si attention pi si thamoi di phang to ni si yam wale emotional involvement si aduna ID education is very dear to my heart I love it so much ngasai angang sing na hai